Want to know how to add a task to your current AI agent? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, what you can do is you need to just simply open up your AgentGPT website. So you can just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. And now, once you're here, what you can do is on the left side, you can also select your history or your ChatGPT history or AgentGPT history to select from it. And here you should be seeing the agent successfully being created. So in order to add task, on the right side you should be seeing this menu icon right here. Just simply select that, and now once I selected this menu icon here, you can see you can add a custom task right here. So you can just simply type in anything and then select add. So once I selected add, it should be made simpler, and as you can see, the task has been added successfully. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. For this, make sure you also select this icon right here.